Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at another Ingersoll watch. I have done this model before, but I've done it on a different style strap. So today we're going to be looking at it with a metal strap. Looking at the box initially, it does come with a little black sort of cardboard outside cover. But I've just taken that off just so we can quickly look at this more contemporary style box with a simple metallic sort of button down system. Nice line stitching and overall nice soft effect, nice and smooth, nice and glossy. I haven't got the LED light on today because this watch is quite mirror. It's got quite a lot of mirror stainless steel on it, so it's the light reflects back off and you can't see the proper colours of the watch. So here we go, guys. This is the Ingersoll The Jazz 42mm. It has a 15mm case thickness, even though it looks bigger. Retails around about £200. That's how much I paid on Amazon for it. Probably weighs over 250 grams. It's quite a hefty watch and uses an automatic movement. I think it's, well, I can't remember the jewels, but when we look at the back, we can have a look at the automatic movement on the back there. So let's have a look at the dial here. So we've got a day and night tracker in the top here, just below the 12 PM. Obviously, we've got a full sort of skeleton view of the movement and overall look at the watch. Ingersoll logo and that sort of branding stuff on this side, and an extra time here as well if we want to track like another time zone or a time elsewhere. This watch comes with, and I'm quoting from Ingersoll themselves, a lifetime warranty. The actual watch is only waterproof to 5 atmospheres and uses mineral glass, scratch-resistant mineral glass going on the top of that. Let's remove this little bit of plastic so we can have a look with the stuff off. Go. I leave my glove off now. It's a highly reflective watch, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like under LV light, in case you guys want to see. There you go. Lots of shine to it. That's why it doesn't always come up well on the light. Inside the actual face of the watch, you've got sort of a 45-degree indented interior bezel in here. Obviously it doesn't move, it's just it adds a bit of contrast and depth to the actual watch. So Ingersoll themselves, in case you haven't heard of the brand name, is one of the oldest American watchmakers. So let's have a look at the crown. A nice audible winder there. It's quite a decent amount of feedback when you turn that dial around. First position. You get to see the winder in the top corner as well. There you go. That's there's not a lot of feedback on the crown, but you do feel the quality of it. And to change the time of the other dial, you just turn it a little bit back the opposite way. And that also changes the date dial as well. Not date dial, sorry, the moon phase dial, and that only changes for this time zone. So for the main hands, that only changes for this. It's not going to track the time zone of the other one. Got a nice firm click down as well. There's no screw down effect or anything to this. So coming out to the casing, so you've got a full stainless steel casing on here. I think it could be 316. I'm not too sure. Didn't specify. You've got a mixture of polished and brushed effect on the side of the casing here. Got separate legs to hold on to the actual strap. Speaking of the strap is 20mm in case you wanted to change that. 20mm in lug width. Looks a bit like an oyster perpetual strap. Very, very common strap style nowadays, with adjustable pins on the side here rather than being screws. Coming down to the buckle is a double fold over butterfly style buckle, revealing a nice stainless steel inside mechanism inside it, nice and polished, and has a nice click down. So we have a look at the automatic movement on the back. We'll be able to tell you the caliber and stuff like that on the back there, hopefully. So 20 dual automatic movement. I think it's, I can't remember if they use Swiss or if it's Chinese. I can't remember. Oh, there you go. So it is 316 stainless steel. You can see just there. If I could turn the light on, you'll be able to see. There you go. 316 stainless steel. There's little view at the movement on the back there. 22 dual make movement. So there we go guys, that is the Ingersoll The Jazz on the metal strap.